everyone. Are you preparing for UGC NET exam? Then this ultimate guide is for you. We are providing you some expert tips and strategies that will make you perform better in your UGC NET exam and crack your exam. So let's begin. First, let us talk about understanding the exam pattern and syllabus. Do through research and find the most important topic for your exam. Then create a study schedule that suits your needs and stick to it. Allocate a specific time for each subject and each topic. Make sure to include regular break to avoid burnout. Now, let us move to study material. Collect some best study materials such as reference books, test book, and online study materials. Choose the ones that are easy to understand and cover your entire syllabus. Study alone is beneficial, but if you join a group or a online forum, it also includes some extra advantage to you. It will help you to discuss, and you can also share your study and your questions and your doubts with your fellow aspirants. Practice, practice, practice. As many tests you can solve, please do solve the test paper. It will improve your knowledge about the exam pattern and you get familiar with the toughest and most common topics which will be probably come in your exam. Take mock test as many as you can and understanding the importance of revision. Revise your topic every time. And it is not beneficial that you study 100 books in one time, but study one book at 100 times. This will improve your knowledge about the subject and this will improve your knowledge and recall during the exam. Lastly, take care of your health, get enough sleep, do exercise, and eat nutritious food. A healthy body and a healthy mind make you perform better in your exam. Remember, health is wealth, and a healthy person can do a thing much better than a unhealthy person. Remember, UGC NET exam require a dedication and a hard work. Stay focused on your exam. Stay motivated and believe in yourself. That's all for today. Subscribe to our channel for more educational content and exam related videos, exam related discussions. Stay tuned for regular updates and enhance your exam performance. So if you find this video helpful, please like it and share it, and thanks for watching.